That is the most regretful $3,500 offer I've ever made in my life.
Hello.
Hello, this is RJ Bates calling about your property there on 4th Street that you entered on my website. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Are you still looking to sell that property?
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, how much are you looking to get for that property?
I mean, you have to go and check it and give me a price.
Okay, so you didn't have a price in mind that you were looking to get for it?
Not really, no. It's a rehab, it needs a lot of rehab.
It needs a lot of work. Okay.
Yes.
And it's about 1,000 square feet, correct?
Yes.
Okay. When you say a lot of work, does it need like structural or just cosmetic?
Not cosmetic, it's structural work.
Structural. Okay. Are we talking about, does it have fire or water damage, or is it just
Water damage.
water damage? Okay. And what did the water damage come from?
From the roof.
Okay. Is it caused mold or just like stains on the ceiling?
I don't know really what the mold or what.
Okay.
There is a heavy leak.
Well, there are quite a few properties around there that have sold, but there's not a lot of value there as far as when properties are in bad shape. So the property is not worth a whole lot, and hearing that it's in bad shape, I mean, it's there's a lot of properties around there that sold for like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, so I mean, we're probably not going to be able to offer much. I mean, did you have an idea of what you were trying to get for it, or just no?
I just want to sell it. That's
Okay. I mean, realistically, I mean it doesn't look like we're gonna be offering a whole lot on it. I mean, did you buy this for $500?
No.
No.
I bought it for $3,500.
3,500. Yeah.
Yeah, about 10 years ago.
Gotcha. That's crazy. This must be one of the few places where property values really haven't gone up a whole lot.
The land area, the land value is about 14,000. If you want to rebuild it with really nice property.
Yeah, I'm not seeing that. I mean, I see properties just right around it with structures on them that have sold for $5,000, $3,000.
No, not really. If they're livable, they sell over 59,000.
Yeah, but the property is not livable though. It needs a lot of work to get it to that level.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, realistically, I mean, I probably wouldn't be willing to offer you much more than what you paid for it.
Whatever, you check it out and give me a best price, whatever you have.
I mean, I'm telling you, I probably wouldn't be wanting to spend more than about $3,500.
That's fine with me.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I have your email as your first name dot your last name at gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. So what I can do is I can send over a contract for the $3,500. You can take a look at it, see if you have any questions, and once you sign it, we'll open up the title and we'll get the process started. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye. That is the most regretful $3,500 offer I've ever made in my life.